What is DeepSeek R1? Is it Chinese spyware or is it just another AI model? My name is Nick and I run an AI company here in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm going to give you my thoughts on the subject of DeepSeek R1. A lot of people have been talking about DeepSeek R1 and there's a lot of information floating around. Some of it real and some of it not. Today we're going over everything we know about the DeepSeek R1 model. The Chinese startup has just released jaw-dropping results for the DeepSeek R1 model. DeepSeek has been able to train their model with fewer iterations and less money than their competitors. They have been able to achieve this by breaking down their large model from 670 billion parameters just to 37 billion parameters once it determines the data set for the prompt. In machine learning, this is the process of taking knowledge from a larger model and transferring it to a smaller model. For example, a model could load information about Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Bill Gates. And then once the model is asked information about only Elon Musk, it can take away all the other data and just answer the question based on the knowledge about Elon Musk, thereby making the system more efficient. So this is a big deal, being able to cut down on processing time this much. You could say it's almost a little suspicious, and OpenAI agrees. OpenAI claims that DeepSeek was trained off of improperly obtained data from Chat GPT. Stealing data has been in the news lately, especially with companies linked to China, such as TikTok and DeepSeek. So let's put on our tinfoil hat for a minute. Some claim that the new model is spyware. Conveniently following the TikTok ban, DeepSeek released the new trending AI model. However, spyware should only be achievable if you are using the model hosted by DeepSeek themselves. If you download the open source AI model and host it locally, this should keep your data safe as no external communication is taking place, unless you set it up otherwise. So in the case if you are using the model hosted by DeepSeek themselves, people are stating that in the privacy policy, that they still hold on to your data even after you delete your account. This is alarming to some. If you've heard of the social media company Rednote, they have a similar policy, and they are also Chinese-based. In Rednote's privacy policy, they have a line that says they can use your data however they see fit. With all of this being said, we really don't know that much about DeepSeek, and it is still very new, so most of what we're hearing is speculation. There is a lot of misinformation going around about this DeepSeek AI. We should know more in the upcoming months, especially if there's actually going to be a lawsuit between OpenAI and DeepSeek. This will reveal a lot more about DeepSeek, and once we learn more, we will update you. While we were editing this video, some more info came out and we wanted to add it. The New York State has jumped on the bandwagon and has decided to ban DeepSeek from all government devices. The governor has announced this move, highlighting privacy concerns and potential censorship. As research suggests, DeepSeek has hidden code that is sending data to Chinese companies, and it reportedly aligns with China's official stance. State agencies have been directed to remove the DeepSeek app from their devices. On a federal level, a duo in the House of Representatives has introduced the No DeepSeek on Government Devices Act. This bill aims to ban DeepSeek from federal government employees. This ban would only affect government-issued devices for concerns such as surveillance and misinformation risk. They argue that the app can potentially transmit information to Chinese servers. Virginia's governor has also followed suit, banning DeepSeek from Virginia state-issued devices. In addition to all of this news, the government has introduced a new bill that can make DeepSeek illegal, serving up to 20 years in prison and $1 million fine for civilians. And the fine can raise up to $100 million for companies. If this law is passed, this would prohibit Americans from developing or assisting China in any way develop artificial intelligence. This is a huge escalation, making it pretty clear that the US sees this more than just an AI. It's being treated as a national security threat. These moves reflect a growing unease of foreign developed AIs, as these foreign AIs could definitely introduce some risk. It is clear that the government is taking action to address these new challenges. What do you think of DeepSeek AI? Do you think it's actually dangerous like the government thinks, or do you think it's fine to use? Let us know down in the comments.